Hey good people, so today in this video I am gonna show you that how you can actually buy Victoria VR tokens right now without any hurdle. So you recently know that Victoria VR token just got listed on KuCoin exchange and it pumped a lot, and its price right now is $0.52 by $53. Okay, so Victoria VR is a 3D blockchain game, metaverse game, and it can pump a lot in this metaverse trend. Okay, so I am gonna show you that how you can actually buy or sell Victoria VR tokens right now. Victoria VR token is listed in only one CS centralized crypto exchange, which is KuCoin. KuCoin is one of the best crypto exchanges in the world. You can simply sign up here and buy any uh, altcoin and trade any altcoin there. Okay, so first of all you have to create account. If you don't have account, you can sign up through the link in the description. I have given the link in the description. So first of all you have to create account. When you open the link, you will see this interface. Okay, so you just have to click on sign up and simply enter your email and enter your email and enter your verification code, and then simply in the next step you have to enter strong password. Okay, so when you have created account on KuCoin, you just have to download the KuCoin app from Play Store or iPhones or Apple Store. So okay, so so Victoria VR is giving away right now a mega metaverse giveaway. Victoria VR officially giving away free 18 VR lands, 18 mystery boxing, and $18 of VR tokens to 1000 winners. Okay, so if you want to join this giveaway, I have created a video. You can actually watch this giveaway video. So in this description, from the description. So now we will see that how you can actually buy VR tokens right now. So first of all you have to create account on KuCoin. When you create account, simply open KuCoin exchange, and here you can see that trade option. Click on trade option. Okay, so here you can see that uh, here you have to search VR. Okay, so here you can see all the results here, and Victoria VR token is here, VR/USDT. You have to select this token. Okay, so you can see that its price right now is $0.53, and you can see this price on coin market cap and it is same. Okay, so you have to check this token. So this is VR USDT token. Okay, so here is the price of here in red. People wanna sell this token at this price, and here in green people want to buy in this price range. Okay, so you can enter any amount of tokens that you wanna buy, and here you can simply buy. Click on buy tokens and actually buy VR tokens. So first of all you have to set the trading password. Okay, so you have to complete this process. I am not gonna make this process. So you can simply buy Victoria VR tokens here, and if you want to sell Victoria VR tokens, you can simply sell these tokens here, simple, in a simple way. Okay, so that's all in this video. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure to join the giveaway by Victoria VR, link in the description. So that's all in this video. Allah Hafiz.